Hello and welcome to our video about the train. Trains have been a crucial mode of transportation for over 2 centuries, connecting people and communities across vast distances. From bustling cities to remote rural areas, trains have played a vital role in shaping our world. In this video, we'll explore the history and evolution of trains, their significance in our daily lives, and the future of rail transportation. Get ready to embark on a journey through the world of trains. Introduction: trains are great. They're big and powerful, yet they can also be small and economical. Trains have been a part of our lives since the beginning of time, which makes sense because they're really useful. In this article, we'll learn all about trains, where they come from, how they work, and more. The locomotive is the principal form of motive power for trains. The locomotive is the principal form of motive power for trains. The steam engine or the steam locomotive provided the motive power for many early railways from 1804 well into the 20th century. The first steam locomotive was built by Richard Trevithick in 1804, although some sources date this event as occurring in 1801. The first trains were steam-powered, with the steam engine or the steam locomotive providing the motive power. The first trains were steam-powered, with the steam engine or the steam locomotive providing the motive power. The steam locomotive was invented by Richard Trevithick in 1804. It was also the first commercially successful form of motive power for railways. The first steam locomotive was built by Richard Trevithick in 1804, although it was not until 1835 that the first commercially successful steam locomotive was produced by Arthur Wolff in England. The word train is sometimes used in U.S. English as a synonym for railroad, and since truck is another common synonym for railroad, it might be used to refer to a freight train or goods train. In the United States, the word train is sometimes used in U.S. English as a synonym for railroad, and since truck is another common synonym for railroad, it might be used to refer to a freight train or goods train. In other cases, however, it refers only to vehicles that carry passengers, e.g., intercity buses, not those designed specifically for freight transportation. The word truck has two main meanings: a motor vehicle with 4 wheels in a flatbed built on the chassis frame which carries cargo or people from one place to another. In general terms, any type of vehicle that transports goods from one place to another. A twin-track rail line is a full railway line comprising 2 parallel tracks, one for each direction of travel, or line of travel. A twin-track rail line is a full railway line comprising 2 parallel tracks, one for each direction of travel, or line of travel. The track is called a double track, or double-track railway. A twin-track route will be able to accommodate trains traveling in both directions simultaneously, thus reducing delays and improving efficiency. A double-tracked route will have one up and down line, 2 lines, with the other being used by trains coming from the opposite direction. In countries like India, Australia and Ireland, where land is more expensive and space at a premium, building both sides of the track at once can save money over building it in stages over time as demand increases. 1. In fact, most lines have multiple parallel tracks on each side to permit operations like overtaking or bypassing other trains at wayside stations without requiring them to pull into the station itself. Trains are good. Trains are good. They're useful, fun, fast, comfortable and efficient, and they're also clean and safe. Trains can be used to transport people and cargo long distances at high speeds with little pollution or noise pollution compared to cars or planes. Trains are also more energy efficient than other forms of transportation because they use less fuel per passenger mile traveled than automobiles do. 1. A typical car has an average fuel economy, FE, rating between 20 to 30 miles per gallon, mpg. In comparison to this standard FE rating for cars, trains typically have a FE rating between 30 to 40 mpg, buses have a FE rating between 15 to 25 mpg, and planes have an even lower FE rating at 3 to 5 mpg. 2. And that concludes our video on trains. We hope you have a better understanding of the importance and impact of trains in our world. From the early steam engines to the high-speed trains of today, the train has come a long way and will continue to play a vital role in connecting people and places. We'd like to thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of trains. Until next time, goodbye.